welcome on my channel. What I wanna do today is maybe not fitting a TRUMA boiler, is a bit time for it. I wanna check how it fits with water pump, because I plan the water pump here. Next I changed the idea to build it on the back. Later on I changed idea to build it here, and right now I don't know it's a good idea or not. But anyway, we will check how we will fit, because beside of the water pump we have to place here drain valve for boiler and overflow for boiler. So this is diesel, so we don't have to make any dropouts, etc. Of course, later on will be problem with this flow, etc. 100 others. So means mainly today I wanna check how it fits. Maybe I have to buy something, maybe I have to alter something, I don't know yet. It's concerned it's concerned also heating duct, because this is heating duct which going to the back, this is heating duct which going to the front here. One will be go to the bathroom, hole will be somewhere around here or maybe higher, I don't know yet, and the fourth one will go to this area. So I can maybe I have to make a hole in this board. This is this board for the front, or maybe I send a heating duct behind this wall and make something here. I don't know yet. Everything depends how we can fit this water pump. Where means I have the flooded water pump, and it looks like it's not maybe very tight in this area, but also it's not too much space. Space is never too much, especially in the van. Maybe here. Maybe here. By the way, this is quite weak plywood, it's a light ply, so I don't wanna fit these screws to this, so probably I make a piece of ply, use let's say 8 or 10 short screws to screw it to this wall panel. Then wall panel, then with 4 screws I screw to this like a, let's call it soup plate. This is drain valve. Totally it can be anywhere, and overflow have to be here. Just we can play a bit, that's true. Winkel Schlussventil. Okay, so it's going kind of dilemma. If its camera is too far, you don't see any details. If it's too close, you don't see the full image. I not mark anything on these pipes, so to tell the truth, I don't know where it have to go. Plumbing of TRUMA Combi boiler is quite easy, especially in the gas version. In diesel is a bit complicated, bit more complicated, but anyway it's quite easy, because here we have water from the bottom, we have water inlet, so we have to feed the cold water from water pump, and here we have outlet where we can send the hot water, and that's it, to tell the truth. On the way from pump here to to here we have to fit somewhere. We have to fit the drain valve, and we have to also close to this outlet we have to drill the hole in the floor for overflow valve. It's when boiler starts boiling, to lower the pressure. And that's it, to tell the truth. We have here like a blue, it's a one is a fit, the second is a return. Right now it doesn't make a difference because it have to go through the water pipe and T from the water pipe going direct to the boiler and back to everything else. So what I think now, if I move this boiler more this way, I have problem to fit the drain valve, but I can move. No, I can or I cannot. What I need a piece of heating duct. Okay, I get the piece of heating duct, and I wanna check how much space from the front side I need to make a return on it. It shows also quite or maybe who told so this boiler have to be like a long, maybe we can make it under some slope. So we can no, not here, because here we need need space for flow, but I think like that will be better. Right now I have more space here. Okay, yeah. So for this minute I have idea, so the boiler is bit slope. This pipe will be cut, this heating duct will be cut and going in the bottom. The idea is, yes, right now, how to do it. It's really not enough space. Or not, I don't know yet. Problem is when I start cutting the pipes and fix everything, and I made mistake, later on I have to disassembling everything, and maybe some heating ducts or pipes will be too short and it create extra spendings. For this moment, what I'm thinking, the best place for water pump will be somewhere here. I have enough space to. I think it's the best place. No, not the best. What is acceptable is somewhere here. The heating duct. See anything? Nothing. The heating duct from this pass under this water pump. I have some space to make a plumbing, but I'm not happy with it, because here's the inlet and here's the outlet, and still I have not too much space for drain valve. But drain valve can be here, somewhere here, if I can drill the holes. I'm not pretty sure how it looks from outside right now. It's rainy, so I don't want to go under the van, but drain valve can be here. It's accessible, yes, it's accessible. not perfect, but is maybe something quite different. And fit the water pump. It's here. It's possible or not. How much space I have here? It's not stupid idea. Yes, I think like that will be the best. Bit strange, nobody fitting like that, but who knows, somebody have to be first. Because of flow I can like save something on the joints, but it's not about like a money, just like a leaking, possibly leaking. So okay,